Okay, regarding short bed or long bed, the truck's going to be... Hey, welcome to the Odd Rod Garage. Today we're going to be loading the truck up on a trailer, hauling it down to a car wash so that we can power wash it and get it all cleaned out so that we can see what kind of things we're going to be working with. So, come along for the ride. Well, and we got the trailer and the giveaway truck. We'll get this hooked up and see if Tommy can help me out. Maybe he can steer this thing. Hey Tommy, you think you could help me steer this thing in here? I don't have any arms. Well, fine, you complain about everything. All right, I'll just help you then. You ride the brakes. Okay.
I came from the mud. There's dirt on my hands. Strong like a tree. There's roots where I stand. Oh, I've been running from the law. Hope they won't shoot me down soon.
All right, well, I don't know when the camera cut off, so you didn't see me loading the truck. That's not that exciting anyway. But we got to get Tommy out because, you know, he can't get himself out. So. Anyway, there she is all loaded up. Let's go see if we can help Tommy out of the driver's seat. Hey, thanks, Tommy. You did a great job.
Oh, thank you. I hope that everyone enjoys this video since my boss is being stupid.
Oh, I'm sure they will.
Maybe we can get some work done when I get back.
Oh, that would be awesome.
Try to catch me howling at the moon. Won't stop fighting to the very end. Many men try to reach it, many men have failed. Well, if you wanna get to heaven, you gotta raise a little hell. And I've been running from the law. Hope they won't.
This is Nathan right here. He tells me he's going to subscribe to my channel. He just got this pickup truck. It used to be his grandfather's, bought it original. It's a 97 Dodge, I think Ram 2500 maybe? Yeah. Got the Cummins diesel in it, Cummins turbo. Actually a pretty cool old rig. These girls haul like crazy. So, if you're a man of your word, you're going to see this on YouTube tomorrow morning, 7 o'clock. So, just got done at the car wash. The truck's looking great. But holy mackerel, did I get swarmed by people wanting to know what I'm doing with the truck. Am I restoring it? Am I hot rodding it? So I had the opportunity to give some people some cards. And to tell you the truth, I didn't ever think I was going to get out of there. So what was supposed to be about a half-hour trip took an hour and a half by the time I talked to everybody. So Anyway, we'll get her on back home and Tommy will check it out underneath. Why don't you do me a favor and look under there? Check on the rust for me. Yeah, no, it looks good. I'd say this is a very buildable truck. Oh, thanks for your help, Tommy. Hey, I've had a lot of questions on the color of the truck. Apparently in the videos it always looks white. This truck is like a butter yellow. I don't even know the name of the color, but it's just a really light yellow. So hopefully whoever wins the truck, it doesn't disappoint him. Hey, when it was all said and done, we have a great pickup truck out here. So this next week, we're going to start tearing it apart, start getting ready to put an engine and transmission in it. And for those of you who are wanting to know, we had a ton of rain last night. I don't think I'm ever going to be able to get back to work again. Anyway, I'll show you a little bit of the rain damage we had. It's insane. I've said a couple of times that my forklift is stuck. As you can see, I have a problem. First place, my forklift is a hard tire forklift, so it does not enjoy going on the dirt. But that is a puddle of water, and I'm not sure what month I'm going to be able to get that thing out of there. All right, well, thank you, Zachariah, for coming down here and getting my forklift out. It's been there over a week, maybe a week and a half. So,
holy cow.
Everybody, this is Zachariah Q. Jones, 7th ugliest guy in the world.
Oh yeah.
Women love ugly, right?
By a margin of almost 2 to 1, the truck is going to be left a long bed. Wow. Hey, just a reminder. Make sure you subscribe to the channel in a public manner so we know who you are. Hit us a like and send us a comment. Also remember Wildcard Wednesdays. We do a little bit of drawing and a little bit of imagining. Check us out. As always, thanks for watching.